In this video, I would like to share with you my strategy, how I design the ads for my whole digital marketing platform, as well as how I write the content for it. This is the most important thing, and we have a heaps of query based on that, how they can write the content for the ads, right? So in this video, I would like to share with you my whole strategy. So just keep in touch and have a look what sort of strategy I always use it. Hi everyone, this is Palvinder. In this video, I would like to share with you my another strategy how you can create the ads. ਜਿਹੜੀ last video ਮੈਂ ਬਣਾਈ ਸੀ ਕਿ ਉਸ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਮੇਰਾ main motive ਇਹ ਸੀਗਾ then how you can capture the customer attention using the human psychology, how you can identify the human psychology so that they can click on your ads. Sada main goal यही होना चाहिए guys, how we can show our ads to our dream audience so that वो साडी ads ਨੂੰ click करके साडे desired platform ते आन. Now in this video I'm going to share with you heaps of things. For example, how you can write the content for your ads. This is the most important thing. बहुत ज़्यादा queries are in regards to this कि we have great ads, we have everything, but how we can write and what we need to write it. In this video I'm going to share with you these things. Second thing, if you're using the image ad, then how it should be. If you're using the video ad, then how it looks like, right? And the third thing which I'm going to share with you, how you can capture the customer attention. I already mentioned you this all things, but there is another strategies. As I mentioned you, digital marketing is art of science. Play with it. So I would like to share with you this, guys. ads ne chedi thwadi dream audience nu in the end of your ad set campaign dekhan gaya, right? So it should be captured your customer attention. So बहुत ज़्यादा attractive होनी चाहिए. Make sure that all color combination which I mentioned you about the human psychology. If you haven't seen the video, just watch the video, will be really helpful for you. ये वो last part है जो थोड़ी dream audience ने देखना है. Then there will be click. ते वो थोड़ी ad set दे through या थोड़ी कब websites दे आएंगे, right? And then the whole Facebook will charge your money based on that. Second thing, what kind of ads is that? Guys, if you're creating the image ad, make sure that ये सारियाँ वो strategies ने जो मैं अपने business ले use करना, right? If you're using the image ad, make sure that image ad should have clear goal. Clear goal ਦਾ ਮਤਲਬ ਜੋ ਵੀ ਤੁਹਾਡਾ product ਹੈ, make sure that ਉਹ product ਦੇ ਬਾਰੇ ਤੁਹਾਡੀ ਉਹ ad itself ਬਿਆਨ ਕਰੇ, with itself identification ਹੋਵੇ ਕਿ that's product he wants to show it, right? If you creating the videos ad, I will highly recommend to go for 1080 by 1080. This is the square format. Is the title, the bottom line under which we called as a title. जिसਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਤੁਹਾਡਾ main title ਹੋਏਗਾ ਤੇ ਨੀਚੇ ਇੱਕ line descriptions ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਇੱਕ ਛੋਟੀ ਜਿਹੀ line we called as a CTA line, call to action button, or you can offer something great thing, right? So make sure that अगर ਤੁਸੀਂ image ad बना रहे हो, they should have a clear goal, and अगर ਤੁਸੀਂ video ads बना रहे हो, then title ਤੇ description होना बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है square format ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ. That what I always use, and I always highly recommend it to use that kind of ads. Now the thing is how we can write the content. Guys, मेरी strategy की है, अगर ਤੁਸੀਂ कोई भी content बना रहे हो, make sure that in the content there could be three things: hook, story, offer. I'm repeating again, there could be three options, there could be three things in your ads: hook, story, offer. Hook means a tagline which capture the customer attention. It should be always in the question mark. For example, start from how to do जो भी थोड़ा product का नाम है, या are you a student or something like that. Means a hook, एक line दी hook होवे ताकि there will be capture a customer attention in the primary text which I'm talking about, right? In the next video I'm going to show you how you can write this all things, but make sure that in the phrase, in the content, this should be a hook. Second thing, story. Means what that product about, why you are going to promote that product, right? What is the reason you are offering that product? Guys, कोई भी तुसी business खोल दे, if I'm not wrong, ਤੁਹਾਡਾ ਆਪਣਾ ਕੋਈ ਨਾ ਕੋਈ experience ਉਹਦੇ ਲਈ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਆ, means ਉਸ business ਲਈ ਕੋਈ ਨਾ ਕੋਈ ਤੁਸੀਂ experience ਕੀਤਾ ਹੁੰਦਾ, ਤਾਂ ਕਰਕੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਉਹ business open ਕਰਦੇ ਹੋ, right? I'm right? So ਜੋ ਵੀ ਤੁਹਾਡੀ story ਹੋਏਗੀ, always speak the truth with your dream audience, ਤਾकि ਜੋ ਵੀ ਤੁਹਾਡੀ audience ਹੈ ਉਸ phrase ਚੋਂ ਨਿਕਲ ਰਹੀ ਹੈ ਜਿਸ phrase ਤੋਂ ਤੁਸੀਂ already ਨਿਕਲ ਚੁੱਕੇ ਹੋ. So they are standing on that point, and you are going to help them to telling your story. What is your story behind to build that kind of businesses which you already built it, and ਜਿਹੜਾ ਵੀ ਤੁਸੀਂ product offer ਕਰ ਰਹੇ ਹੋ. For example, मैं डिजिटल मार्केटिंग द प्रोडक्ट ऑफर करदा, राइट? मैं डिजिटल मार्केटिंग द कोर्स ऑफर करदा. Why I'm going to offer a digital marketing course? Because I have a great experience with digital marketing. I have done lots of things for digital marketing, and I have earned heaps of customers through digital marketing. And that all experience which I earned, that I would like to share with you, right? ਤਾਂ ਉਸਦੀ ਇੱਕ ਸਟੋਰੀ ਬਣ ਸਕਦੀ ਆ, maybe in 300 words or 300 words. Hook, story, and offer. In the end, tell something, give something, right? कुछ ना कुछ तुसी offer कर रहे हो, right? Something offer. If you are offering some free cheat sheet, या free webinar, या free anything free you are going to offer, or you want to send your dream audience to the desired platform ताकि वो ਤੁਹਾਡੇ product ਬਾਰੇ ਹੋਰ ਜਾਣਕਾਰੀ ਲੈ ਪਾਣ, then you are going to offer something in the description, right? So in the description, this is a powerful strategy. ਤੁਸੀਂ ਮੇਰੀ ਕੋਈ ਵੀ ads check ਕਰੋਗੇ ਉਸ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਇਹ ਤਿੰਨ ਚੀਜ਼ਾਂ ਜ਼ਰੂਰ ਮਿਲਣਗੀਆਂ: hook, story, ਤੇ offer. That in the end, which I always we called as a CTA, call to action button, that what I want, and they can click on it and they can grab this all things which I offering to my dream audience, right? So these things you need to be keep remember these things. So ਜਦੋਂ ਵੀ ਤੁਸੀਂ content write ਕਰਦੇ ਹੋ ਤਾਂ hook, story, offer ਤੁਹਾਡੇ content ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਹੋਣੀ ਚਾਹੀਦੀ, ਚਾਹੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ Google ads ਲਈ ਕਰ ਰਹੇ ਹੋ, ਚਾਹੇ Facebook ads ਲਈ ਕਰ ਰਹੇ ਹੋ, ਚਾਹੇ ਕਿਸੇ ਵੀ ਚੀਜ਼ ਲਈ ਕਰ ਰਹੇ ਹੋ. You have to build a good relationship with your audience, and that what is the right thing you can create it, right? In the end, guys, ਜਦੋਂ ਸਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ headlines ਆਉਂਦੀਆਂ ਨੇ, we have some headlines in the Facebook. Make sure that headlines should be attractive, attract their attentions, capture their attentions, right? Should be attractive, and they should be start from the questioning mark. So you have to ask some question, or you tell them something good so that they can open your ad and they can click on it. And now Facebook कल नवा एक option नवा release किया Facebook ने. You can put a 5 titles, 5 descriptions, 5 primary text. The primary text which is working well, Facebook algorithm pick those one, and they give a prioritize to show that kind of ads to the other people. Means अगर कोई भी थोड़ी जड़ी 5, अगर तुसी 5 titles Facebook ਨੂੰ provide ਕਰ ਰਹੇ ਹੋ, कोई भी टाइटल वधिया परफॉर्म कर रहा है, that people more click on that title, the Facebook the AO prioritized ਹੁੰਦਾ कि Facebook will show your that title to other audience too, because ਉਹਨੂੰ ਵਧੀਆ result ਮਿਲ ਰਿਹਾ. So this is basically strategies we have to keep in mind. Then we always have a CTA button. It depends on you and your goal. अगर ਤੁਸੀਂ registration ਚਾਹੁੰਦੇ ਹੋ, then enroll now, contact ਚਾਹੁੰਦੇ ਹੋ, call ਚਾਹੁੰਦੇ ਹੋ, traffic ਚਾਹੁੰਦੇ ਹੋ, then visit our websites. This kind of CTA buttons have there, but definitely will create a video with you where I will be tell you what you can do and how you can create the ads. But this is the basic and good strategy to write and content for the ads, and how you can make the ads or image ads and video ads. I hope that will be helpful for you. So if you have any kind of question, guys, just comment box is yours. You can just put comments, we'll definitely give an answers of it. If you like the video, please hit the button like, that will be really helpful for me to grow my channel, where I'm always sharing my all tips and tricks with you. Contribution is a key of continued growth. That what I want, and that what I always feel. So contribution is a key of continued growth. So always be contribute your knowledge, our knowledge with you. So really helpful for you, I hope. Thank you so much, guys. Thanks so much for watching.